Our dancers rehearse all the ballets that they're going to be performing throughout the season. They take company class here. And today you get to take company class here and learn all of our rep that is being performed. Well, not all of it. We won't throw all of it at you today. Only a couple. So I want to introduce our artists today. We've got Harrison Hall and Unity Dylan. Welcome them, please. Also accompanying us, we've got who just plays these beautiful pieces without a score in front of her. It's amazing. So what's going to happen? So today we are going to learn about a few of the ballets that you're going to be seeing when you go to the performance next weekend. At that performance, we'll talk about that a little bit later. You're going to see 4 different ballets there. We're going to learn about 2 of them today. Come on in, Sue. And then next week you go to the show, and then we're going to come back and do another movement workshop here. We're going to review some things that we did today and learn some new stuff. We can talk about the performance. If you guys have any questions, if you have any favorite parts, any special requests you want to learn from the ballet, we'll take those. So that's kind of the plan, what's happening. Has anybody danced before? I know a lot of you have. We got a lot of repeats. Sue has. Any first timers? First timers, yes, first timers. I love it, first timers. It's just fun, it's no pressure. Just do what feels good for your bodies today and just have fun. That's my advice. Let me ask these guys just a little bit about them before we get moving. Can you both tell us how old you were when you started dancing, where you grew up? Really, what made you want to do this for your professions?
That's a great question. I'm from New Jersey, so I didn't live too far away from New York. I got to come in pretty often when I was a kid, and I have family who lives in New York. I started when I was 5, but I started running around with scarves, not serious, until I was, I think, 12, and then I started to get a little bit more serious when I was 14. Moved to New York to go to the School of American Ballet, which is just downstairs. It's on the 5th floor of this building, and lived upstairs on the 11th floor of this building. So I really spent the majority of my adolescence and adulthood in this one building.
Welcome to her home.
This is where I live now. But I'm so lucky to get to be here with you guys, to get to dance as a profession. I really didn't think it was an option for me for a long time. So grateful and thankful every day that I get to do this.
And how about you, Harrison?
My earliest memory of dancing seriously was with my babysitter when she would put on NSYNC, and I would take the dance parties very seriously. And every time she came over, I was like, when's the dance party happening? When is NSYNC coming on? But more seriously, my mom was on Broadway, and she wanted to instill musicality in me, so she started teaching an all-boys class for me and my friends, and which led to me auditioning for the School of American Ballet when I was 8. And I grew up in New York City, went through the school. The reason I really loved ballet was because I went to see the Nutcracker like every year as like a Christmas tradition. And I wanted more than anything to ride in the sled. I don't know if anyone's seen the Nutcracker here, but I just wanted to ride in that sled so badly. And I actually got to do it. When I was 12 years old, I was able to be the prince, and then I wanted to just give up. I was done. But I was like, I did the sled. Now there's more dance. There's something else other than the Nutcracker. Wow. Okay. So then once I discovered there was more than the Nutcracker, I was hooked. So here I am, grateful again, excited to be teaching and sharing our love of joy, our love of dance with all of you, and joy. Love of joy.
It's pretty joyful. It's pretty fun. So you all came here to move, so let's get started. Why wait? We're going to start just with a gentle warm-up. Again, do what feels good for you guys. It's early, it's Sunday, take it easy. I'm going to invite all of our dancers to come on out. We're going to start in a circle, seated in chairs. So if you want to stay in a wheelchair or walker, please feel free. Also, you're ready to take a chair.